Hey guys, let's go over this bombshell declaration by Ashley Smithline in favor of Marilyn Manson. She starts out of the gate saying her sexual relationship with Manson was brief and consensual. Then 10 years later, she succumbed to pressure from Wood and her associates to make accusations of rape and assault. And she had a meeting with them, and they said that Wood said that these things had happened to her. Maybe it had also happened to Smithline, but she just didn't remember it. And just because you couldn't remember it didn't mean it didn't happen, she said. But she says she told him, look, those things didn't happen to me. But the other people said that it did, and maybe she was just misremembering. So she started to believe that it could have happened to her. Maybe she was repressing her memories. She says in one of the group meetings she attended with Wood and Gore, they could arrange for security of any danger. And so she started to believe that maybe it had happened to her. And then in January 2021, she attended a call with Wood where Wood said, I'm going to name Manson as my abuser and everyone should do it on the same day, according to Smithline. And then she says she gave Gore her Instagram credentials. And the narrative ultimately posted to her account on February 1st contained untrue statements about Manson, including there was violent, non-consensual activity in their brief relationship and that she had repressed memories. For example, she said she was never cut or branded and no initials carved on her. Then she said the lawsuit was filed by the attorney Jay Elvanger. That was Bianco's lawyer, and Bianco said I should use him. Nothing wrong with that. She says he didn't review the contents of the complaint with her before filing it. That's what she says, and says she didn't see a draft. She says the complaint contained untrue statements about Manson, including that there was violence, non-consensual activity, and the repressed memories. She said she felt pressured to go on this press tour that included an interview on The View and a photo shoot with People magazine. She was very uncomfortable with it, but she felt pressured to do it. Then she said she fired her attorney and the case was dismissed. She never received money from Manson, didn't seek money from Manson, has no intention of filing a lawsuit against Manson, never intended to pursue criminal charges against Manson, and felt manipulated by Wood, Gore, Bianco, and Elvanger to spread publicly false accusations about Manson. And this is an affidavit he's attempting to use in the Wood-Gore case for the anti-SLAPP, so he's seeking leave to file it. Obviously, it's fully briefed, but he's saying, hey, this is significant to the issues. And, of course, it is. Honestly, I'd be kind of surprised if the judge didn't let him do it. He had no way to get it before, and it's so material, it appears to me, that the judge should consider it. That's my opinion, and that's the affidavit. Thanks, bye.